RACC. We're here in Franklin, Kentucky. I'd just like to say thank you to all the linemen from Missouri for coming down to help us out. We ourselves get to go on a lot of these storms, ice storms, hurricanes, that type of thing. It's always nice to get to go and help other people. But then when it happens at your place, it's kind of an eye-opener to see that help, come back to you. So I'd just like to say thank you. We started out with, I think, close to 30,000 members out. We've got it down to about 8,000 from what I hear this morning, and we're making progress hour by hour. So thank you.
Hey fellas, we're out on the leaks. We're way back in the boonies. But I tell you, y'all doing a good job. Just keep it up. I'm not complaining. Y'all go for it, fellas.
How long have you guys been in the dark?
Since
Friday, 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Friday, 1 o'clock.
Are you ready to get your lights back on?
We could use it. We could take a bath. We'd like to take a bath. God bless y'all. Y'all have a good one.